I bought some camera gear from AliExpress. Supposedly this is professional camera gear. I'm going to put it to the test today by building a PC from this mystery box of junk. Anyway, I'm going to put this in here so I can hold it. Put a lot. Oh, okay. Volume button's going down apparently. Okay, so it cut off because the phone hit the volume button. I'm gonna put one of these lights on here. Let's put this down. Just put one of these lights on, and as you can see, they clip on. I have actually used this camera gear already, just not for my YouTube. I have used it and tested it. It all works. So as you can see, put that on there, and then all of a sudden the camera quality is slightly better. This is an iPhone 8, so don't expect elite tier camera quality from this. I'll be surprised if I even make it through the video without having to delete some things off of it. There's not really a good place to put the second light. Right, what motherboard do we want? I was thinking maybe we go with the AM4 one. But then again, I don't think I have any DDR4 RAM. But we'll figure it out. And press the fucking button again. It won't, it's not ever level. Let me loosen this and then we'll see if it becomes easier to handle. Okay, that's a little bit easier now. I do have some DDR4 RAM actually. I'm just going to go and hijack it from another PC. This motherboard doesn't actually work as far as I'm aware, but for the purposes of this I don't have a power supply anyway, so oh, the crunch. Oh, why not? We'll take the CPU back out and put it back in. I don't really have anything else to put in here, so. I'm gonna go and grab a graphics card. We'll use the GT210 because why the fuck not? Don't come at me for building on carpet. None of this stuff works. This graphics card is the only thing that works. And the CPU that's in there, but you know, we thug it. That's in perfectly. As you can see, no drama. It's in. So, what else do I have in here? We can have a look at this box of fucking junk. There's a keyboard which doesn't work. Maybe this AIO. Do I have a cooler? Do I have another cooler? Oh, I do have another cooler. So we have this. This was also from AliExpress. As you can tell, very much so. I like AliExpress. Has no thermal paste on it, but like I say, it doesn't matter because we don't have a power supply. Now, when it comes to putting a cooler on, there is a right way and a wrong way to do this. Now, I don't have the brackets for this CPU cooler, so we're just gonna place it on top of it. Now, I don't recommend just placing your CPU cooler on top of your CPU because it will not make the proper thermal contact. So, fucking hell. that's plugged in. Do we have anything else that we can put in here? We can just pretend this hard drive from a MacBook will fit in here. It doesn't. So this motherboard doesn't have an M.2 slot, so we're just gonna place that there. And we can connect a hard drive, but I don't know if there's any in here. No, there is. There's some in here. Oh, okay. Move this box out of the way. We're tipping again. It is top heavy, but it doesn't have a counterweight on it, so I don't know why I expected. This is my hard drive that I'm going to use. Throw that out of the way. Connect this SATA cable. I don't want to knock the tripod over with the SATA cable because it feels like the SATA cable is stronger than the tripod. And then in we go. Perfect. Now we have the ultimate gaming PC, totally, with a GT210, a Ryzen 5 4500, AliExpress cooler, one random stick of Corsair Vengeance RAM which does not work, and some random HDD. Peace out, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more goofy videos like this one. Peace.